Right, time now is 11:46, this will be for you 11:49. West Midlands Railway service from Kidderminster to Stratford-upon-Avon. That way is towards Kidderminster, and then some services continue to Worcester, but they don't stop here. The sun starts to get warm that way. Past Blakedown station is towards Stourbridge and back towards Birmingham. Here it comes. Well, here she comes. What, we have the return of 172222, and it'll be 172212, because this is what actually took me to Blakedown. It's gone into Kidderminster and turned around. That's quite a quick closure compared to what we saw at Crazy Heath the other week. And that should almost, just about, release the barriers. There we are. Bye.